Alright, welcome once again to this video training. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a form. Like assuming you are a digital marketer and you want to create a form so that you can give it out to your is it your prospect or any other person to fill it, so that you can get their contact details and every other information that you need to get. So the stuff there is that what you need to do, you need to have the application that is called Survey Art. So the application will allow you to create the form successfully. So what we need to do now is for us to go to our Play Store to install the application, so that I can show you the step-by-step process that you need to follow. All right, so when you get to your Play Store will open like this. You come to the search button and you come and search for Survey Art. Have you seen? So all right, this is how the application looks like. Have you seen? So what we need to do, you need to click on the install button to install the application. So we need to wait for the application to be installed. Have you seen the app? All right, have you seen the application has been installed? What you need to do is you need to click on the open. We need to wait for it to open. So the next step that we need to follow is for us to sign up. So I'll take you through the process on how you can sign up the application. So you need to click on this I don't have an account, sign up. Then you need to come there, and then what you need to do, you can go ahead to sign up with your Google. Okay, let's go ahead to sign up with our Google. You need to click sign up with Google. All right, so I need to choose the email address, or sorry, the email account that I will need to sign up with. Continue as Samuel. Okay, all right, we are successfully signed up and log in the account. So what you need to do is no form available. So what you need to do, you can go ahead to use the templates. You click on the template. Have you seen contact form? You can go ahead to choose the type of form that you want to create. So this is contact form, collect contact information. This is for customer feedback form. Have you seen? So you can just go ahead. But as for me, what I will need to go up is for the purpose of this video, because I just want to do this video to show you guys how you can create a form. So that is just for that. So I need to come to this create blank form. Have you seen? Then you click on it. So the process there is you need to put in your title and your description, what the form is all about. So I'll need to put my description there. My description is just let me just say online surveys. Okay, let's just put the description: learn how to make money legitimately online with through answering simple survey questions. So have you seen? All right, I'll go with this. So the next step that you need to take is you need to come to this plus button here. So the first step is we need to bring the question here. Have you seen import questions? So what we need to do is you come on this. Okay, the first question should be, I need to come here. So the first question should be your full name. You need to put their full name. You see, then the next step is required. You need to turn on this required process. Have you seen? So have you seen? So the second step now should be phone number or email. So let's say phone number. Let's say phone number. So you need to turn on this required. You need to turn it on. So have you seen? So the next now should be email. It should be email address. Then you click on required. Have you seen? So this is just the the information that will appears in the form. So the next step that you need to take is you need to come to these settings now. You can come here to put your logo. Have you seen like shows logo? You can click here and then you put your logo. Like, let me just do it for you. Let me just show you guys what I'm trying to do. Like, you need to come here. Let me come to this. All right, let me come and choose this as my logo. Let me come and choose this crop. I will need to crop it some more. Okay, I can go with this. Have you seen? Done. So we need to wait for it. My internet connection is very poor. Have you seen? Then this welcome page. Now this welcome page is before once you copy your link, your form link, and send it to someone, then the welcome page that will show up there will be this online survey, learn how to make money legitimately online through answering simple survey question. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. Let's come to this preview. Let's come to the preview now. So have you seen what I was like trying to show you guys? Have you seen? Now this is how the surface will open. Now assuming you turn off the process, don't worry, I will still show you guys. So now when the surface shows like this, you can click on this start, then it will take you to the form. It will take you directly to the form. But assuming we turn off the process, assuming we turn off don't worry, let me just let this. Okay, have you seen? Here is how to create the form. So now let's go back again. Assuming we come to these settings here and this welcome page, then we tick it off. Like this process, we tick it off. Then let's still go to the preview. Now let's see, the form will open direct. The thing will just open directly to the form. It will show the welcome page again, like all those survey page, learn how to do it. It will show this process like this, title and description. It will show. So what you need to do, you need to come to the preview again. So have you seen? It has opened direct without showing the surface first, so that for you to click start. Have you seen? So the next process is this theme. You can put a theme to this form. Like, you just need to come to this theme and click the theme. But for the benefit of this video, we are going for this default. So that's just it. You can just click here and then put the theme into it. So that's how it is. So have you seen? Here is what I was like trying to say. So have you seen? We have successfully put a theme now to our form. So this is how the process works. So the next step that we need to take now is you need to click on this submit. You just need to click on submit so that the form can be created. Have you seen? So what you need to do now, you can copy this link and send it to anyone so that they can fill the form. Like just I've copied the link. Then okay, let's do like this. Let's go to my Chrome. Let me paste the form there. Let me paste the link. I need to drop the link and load the link now. So have you seen? Here is just the process. So this how the survey hat works. So this is just the simplest way on how you can create a form. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel and turn up the bell notification, so whenever I'm going to post any other update like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you.